This is a real attack chain, a public security group, IMDSv1 enabled, and an IAM role with admin access. 3 separate findings, 1 path to full account takeover. In 2025, attackers used exactly this kind of chain to exfiltrate data from production AWS accounts. Most security scanners flag these as 3 separate medium severity findings. This tool connects them. I'm going to show you how to scan your entire AWS account in under 60 seconds, find attack chains that other tools miss, and get the exact Terraform code to fix them. 1 pip install, 1 command. cloud-audit is a free open source CLI, pip install, and that's it. It uses your default AWS credentials. The security audit managed policy is enough. 47 checks across IAM, S3, VPC, RDS, Lambda, ECS, and KMS. Let's look at what it found. Health score 0 out of 100. 5 critical, 5 high, 8 medium, 4 low. 22 findings total across 33 resources. Let's look at what matters. 3 critical findings on the same security group, SSH, RDP, and PostgreSQL, all open to the entire internet. That's port 22, 3389, and 5432, reachable from any IP address in the world. No CloudTrail configured, 0 audit logging. If someone is already in this account, you have no record of what they did. IAM user with console access, no MFA. 1 leaked password away from full account access. If this is useful, GitHub link is in the description. Star the repo so you don't lose it. This is where cloud-audit does something no other free tool does. It correlates individual findings into exploitable multi-step attack paths. The RDS instance is publicly accessible, unencrypted, and there's no CloudTrail logging. An attacker can connect from the internet, exfiltrate plain text data, and there's 0 audit trail. 3 separate findings, 1 exploitable path. This EC2 instance is internet-facing and uses IMDSv1. An attacker can exploit a server-side request forgery to hit 169.254.169.254, steal the IAM role credentials, and move laterally. This is how real AWS breaches happen. The security group allows all inbound traffic from the internet, and VPC flow logs are disabled. Network intrusions won't even be logged. 3 chains. Each one connects findings that individually look like medium or high severity, but together they're critical attack paths. This is what commercial tools like Wiz charge $50,000 a year for. Every finding includes the exact CLI command and Terraform code to fix it. The CLI command revokes the rule. The Terraform block replaces it with a restricted source. Every single finding, not 10%, not the easy ones, all 47. Or export all fixes as a shell script and review them before running. Run a scan today, run another tomorrow, and compare. New findings, fixed findings, unchanged. Exit code 1 means regression. Connect it to a cron job or GitHub Actions, and you'll know when security deteriorates. Add it to your CI/CD pipeline. SARIF output for GitHub code scanning, exit codes for pipeline gating. If the scan finds new issues, the pipeline fails. How does this compare to Prowler? Prowler has 584 checks and full CIS benchmark coverage. If you need compliance evidence, use Prowler. cloud-audit has 47 checks with attack chain detection, built-in diff, and Terraform remediation for every finding. Different tools for different needs. cloud-audit is free and open source. The GitHub link is in the description. If you found attack chains in your account, drop a comment. I read everyone. And if your team needs help hardening AWS at scale, there's a link to book a free review.